Hi everyone, welcome to our first Year 5 and 6 phase assembly. I'm very excited that we get to do these again because they were always my favourite part of the week when we were at school. And also it's really important that at a time where things are a bit scary and a bit confusing that we can still celebrate all the amazing work that you're doing. The second thing to say is that if you don't see your name this week, don't feel disappointed because everybody who's managed to complete any kind of online learning has still done a really, really good job. So well done if you've managed to complete anything at such a difficult time. But an extra well done to those children who've gone above and beyond and completed exceptional home learning. So let's have a look who that is. So from Churchill class we have Dana, Barris, and from GANDHI class we have Alex. From LUTHERKING class, well done to Parisa, Race, Benaya and Ayub. From BATUTTA class, a big well done to Farhad, Najim, Luca, Siddharth, Anaswika and Suzanne. From DARWIN class, a special certificate for Jamal, Jasmine, Taiba, Barthana, Ria, Erin, Farah, Robert, Jordan and Maha, Reese, Nessa, Igor and Marwa. And last but not least, from Shackleton class, well done Tia, Miria, Abimani, Arishan, Biranavan, Raki, Salma, Nikhil and Demi. So huge well done to all of those children because their teachers feel they have done exceptional online learning this week. But as I said before, a huge well done to anybody who's completed any online learning because we know how difficult that is at the moment. So if you'd like to receive a certificate next week, you need to get online, check every single day on the online learning folder on the Grange Primary website, check the YouTube channel for your daily lesson videos and email your work in to the email addresses which are yr5 or yr6@grange.harrow.sch.uk. See you next week.